今日大盘走势分析，2025年10月24日 ，A 股市场表现强劲，沪深两市高开高走，沪指突破10年新高。截至收盘，上证指数报3950.31点，上涨0.71%；深证成指报13289.18点，上涨2.02%；创业板指报31757点，上涨3.57%。沪深两市成交额单日放量3000亿，近2万亿大关，较前期的极度萎缩呈现显著改善。主力资金全天净流入约276.20亿，市场活跃不高，多头氛围浓厚。下周大盘走势分析，从消息面来看，下周大盘有继续上涨的动力，但也面临一些不确定性。一方面，利好因素较多，中美会谈时间和地点确立，市场担忧有所放缓；国内重要会议公报落地，政策预期提升，为市场注入了强心剂。此外，“15+5”规划明确了科技创新、国产替代、高端装备等大方向，但将为市场提供丰富的投资主题和机会。中信证券等券商3季报业绩亮眼，可能会带动券商板块短期走强。综合来看，下周大盘有望延续震荡上行格局，但在4000点关口可能会面临一定的压力。如果量能够持续放大，增量政策如期落地，大盘有望一举突破4000点大关。English version. Analysis of today's market trend. On October 24th, 2025, the A-share market performed strongly, with the Shanghai and Shenzhen stock markets opening high and moving higher, and the Shanghai Composite Index breaking through a 10-year high. By the close, the Shanghai Composite Index reported 3,950 10.1 10 points, an increase of 0.31 points, an increase of 0.71%. The Shenzhen Component Index reported 13,289 18 points, an increase of 2%, and the Chinext Index reported 3,171 57 points, an increase of 57%. The trading volume of the Shanghai and Shenzhen stock markets increased by 300 billion yuan in a single day, approaching the 2 trillion yuan mark, showing a significant improvement compared with the previous extreme shrinkage. The main funds flowed in approximately 27.2 billion yuan throughout the day. The market activity was high, and the bullish sentiment was strong. Analysis of next week's market trend. From the perspective of the news, there is momentum for the market to continue rising next week, but there are also some uncertainties. On the one hand, there are many positive factors. The time and place of the China-US talks have been established, and market concerns have been alleviated. The communique of the important domestic meeting has been released, and policy expectations have been enhanced, injecting a boost into the market. In addition, the 15th Five-Year Plan has clarified the general directions, such as scientific and technological innovation, domestic substitution, and high-end equipment, which will provide rich investment themes and opportunities for the market. The third quarter report, performances of securities firms, such as CTC Securities, are eye-catching, which may drive the securities firm sector to perform strongly in the short term. On the other hand, there are also some concerns. Although the trading volume has increased somewhat, it's still about 1/3 lower than the peak in August, showing an obvious divergence from the new high, which may restrict the continuous upward movement of the index. The problem of internal structural differentiation in the market cannot be ignored. There is an obvious index distortion risk. Overall, the market is expected to continue the volatile upward pattern next week, but it may face certain pressure at the 4,000-point mark. If the trading volume can continue to expand and the incremental policies are implemented as scheduled, the market is expected to break through the 4,000-point mark in one fell swoop.